Hello, my name is Cody Groning, and today I will be taking you all through the Tiger Woods apology video from 2010 about his affair. And I want to hit on a few points just about whether or not he's being totally truthful or he's totally meaning his apology or if he's doing it just so that he apologizes to his fans and doesn't take the full ramifications of his affair. So with that said, I will start the video here. And throughout this entire video, from what I watched, you can see Tiger not really moving around. He looks around, makes direct eye contact with all of the viewers, but doesn't move his body, doesn't use his hands. He's reading directly off a script, which really makes me think that he's trying way too hard to say the right thing instead of speaking from the heart. And that makes me think that from one of the TED Talks that he's trying too hard to say the right thing, as what one of the women was referring to. They will use way different speech than normal, and that's a really good tell for whether or not someone's telling a lie. So I would say that that's one of the first things that seems very odd about Tiger. It's been said by many viewers that he seemed very robotic in this interview that he made, and also that he probably didn't really mean what he was saying, is that he was forced to just to lessen the blow, so to speak, of what he had done. Another thing that I want to note is that in the second TED Talk that I watched, it talked about the power poses and then the non-power poses. And in the non-power poses, it showed all people with their shoulders kind of shrugged, not really moving around, and it told you that they were feeling not powerful at all, that they were very shy or nervous. And I'm sure that Tiger was nervous making this statement, but also maybe that he was not confident saying these things and that he wasn't telling the truth, that he wasn't meaning what he was saying. So I would say that those are the two biggest things with Tiger's apology that I noticed, and that he's really not himself in this video. And I really am glad that I got the opportunity to look through it, and I hope that it benefited you in seeing some of the different things that can happen in an apology video like this. Thank you.